Hello, my dear students. Today in English class, we will be doing the topic picture composition. At the end of the lesson, you will be able to write several sentences on the given topic after looking at the picture related to it. You will also be able to write a paragraph on the observation of the picture. Before we begin with the class, let us know what is picture writing. Picture composition is also known as picture writing. A picture writing involves writing sentences based on given picture or set of pictures. A picture writing requires a writer to carefully observe the given picture and describe it in a form of story having meaningful sentences. So, dear students, you should remember the following points for writing a picture composition. First and the foremost point is carefully observe the picture. Ask the questions to yourself and write the answers on the basis of your observation. Arrange the observation in a sequence or a logical order. Please write meaningful sentences to form the composition. You have to write a title for the composition based on the main theme of the picture. Now let us write a picture composition based on the given image. Now students, look at the picture carefully. Now what can you observe in the picture? You can see that smoke is coming out of the factory. The trees are dried up. The wastage of the factory is coming out and drained out in the river. Animals are bathing. A man is washing clothes. And few people are throwing the garbage just next to the river. So, as a whole, if you look carefully at the picture, you can observe that there are many ways shown in the picture through which the environment is getting damaged. So, what you have to do is, you have to list 3 ways in which the environment is getting damaged or our Mother Earth is being polluted. So, the first reason is that why our environment is getting damaged? Our environment is getting damaged by the smoke coming out of the factory chimney, animals bathing in river, people throwing garbage near the rivers, and people washing the clothes or utensils in the river water. So students, you can check your answers from this slide. Hope the concept of picture composition is clear and you might have enjoyed watching this video. Thank you and have a nice day.